King James is undoubtedly one of the greatest sportsmen of his generation. The Lakers forward is also one of the highest paid athletes in the world, with a net worth of about $450 million, capped by an annual salary of about $40 million. This sports star has all it takes to live life on the first lane. He owns some of the most luxurious things money can buy. His new mansion in LA is one of the latest acquisitions. Let's take a trip and unravel what $52 million can buy. It almost appears like NBA players are coerced into living a luxurious life. Los Angeles is a bubbling city. Celebrities pop up on the streets like traffic lights. King James is one of them. And here, celebrities live like kings. That prompted him to part with a colossal $52 million to get a home that suits his title, King. The palatial residence is located in the leafy suburbs of Hollywood Hills. This is an area from which the best view of Los Angeles City is served. While everyone else is not done drying their tears because of the economic recession caused by the coronavirus pandemic, James just proved a point by making this timely acquisition. The grandiose property offers features laced with modern architecture and state-of-the-art amenities. The three-time NBA champion is a certified baller, and no one should pretend they are surprised with this audacious move. Apparently, King James was just chilling, scrolling through his Instagram account when he spotted the mansion on the property page, Mega Mansions. The king liked what he saw and made a money move, just like that. The mansion sits on approximately 16,000 square feet of space, and it would take days to spot the difference between indoor and outdoor luxury. The boomerang-shaped infinity pool will be the first attractive feature to wake you from deep slumber. The mansion has a spa and a sauna. As you may know, athletes need good body therapy. Such amenities are uncompromisable in this case. A hydro tub, a float tank, and a massive bonfire pit are also some of the exterior features. The bonfire particularly is quite something. A well-handmade circular-shaped grey sofa appears to enclose the pit. It can accommodate up to 10 people. The poolside inclined seats can be seen arranged neatly, with white round tables also in the vicinity, just in case of a pool party or something of the sort. Millionaires get together. Such things happen a lot when you're famous, rich, and successful. Did you know that Lebron James signed a lifetime deal with Nike in 2015? Maybe you did, but I'll tell you what it means. Overflowing supply of blue Benjamins. The mansion was designed by respected architect Paul McLean. His touch starts shouting straight from the high hedges and security gates that eventually ushers you in to the agonizingly beautiful home. From the inside, the Irish architect must have spent years trying to figure it out. After what he did, there is only one word left: exquisite. An in-house movie theatre with a seating capacity of 100 people, a fully furnished lounge, a wet bar is all included to take care of entertainment needs. Paul McLean, the man behind King James's new mansion's design, has an excellent touch for celebrities. He is also the man who designed power couple Jay-Z and Beyoncé's home, and that of fashion designer Calvin Klein. With a stylish and contemporary new design, the mansion is fitted with 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Each bedroom has almost similar features to the master bedroom, except where the athlete will sleep is twice as big. The walls are dominantly made from natural exotic woods, and mahogany particularly is vastly used. A minimalist aesthetic touch is employed around the windows, with clear glass also eating up better parts of the mansion, thus enhancing the lighting scheme. A golf simulator, a cigar room, a wine cellar, and a considerable gym are other essential compartments in the luxurious home. James is a fitness maniac, and a nice set-up gym is one of the facilities he can't take chances on not having. The guy trains so hard. His success on the court is not only down to his protruding and domineering height. Fitness is essential to keep up with the standards of superstardom. When LeBron James left Cleveland Cavaliers in the summer of 2018 to sign a record deal worth $153 million over the course of 4 years, he walked up to the upscale neighborhood of Brentwood and purchased his first LA home, a $23 million mansion. The 11-bathroom and 6-bedroom property is still registered in his name. Maybe he just felt like changing the environment. You know, money tends to create funny cravings that can prove to be really costly. Back to the $52 million palace. The living room is stocked with beautiful white leather couches, a huge flat-screen television suspended from the roof, and an ultra-modern stereo system. It is the perfect idea for a luxury living room. The interior decorations are further enhanced by outrageously massive chandeliers, dripping from the ceiling, leaving one to wonder whether it is the Buckingham Palace or LeBron's home. The layout is perfect. High-end decor ideas and huge expanses of glasses, enabling gorgeous lighting to strike the room. The curtains are sumptuous, providing an exclusive glare of Los Angeles City with a mere remote command. On the side of the living room, you will spot an imposing fireplace and a small home library. The kitchen area is eye-catching as well. Everything is over the top. James is known to be a vegan, as he has a nutritionist 24 hours a day, 360 in a year. They better make good use of these facilities, or else they may as well kiss their fat paychecks goodbye. Such monumental homes remain a pipe dream for millions of people in LA, as the price is entirely out of touch for the majority of them. LeBron James is not strange to acquiring costly things. He's synonymous with spending severely when it comes to buying cars. His fleet of cars includes some of the best, with Porsche Turbo, Hummer H2, Dodge Challenger among his prized assets. He is also notorious with purchasing unfathomably expensive wristwatches. He owns a number of Rolex timepieces, with some costing as much as $100,000. Clearly, this guy doesn't mind signing the checks to get the deal done. This LA residence is actually his 4th home on record, with a $2.1 million home in Ohio that he bought in 2003 to his $9 million Cocoa Grove mansion in Miami. What do you think the homeless would say about this? For James, his motto is simple: never spend your money before you've earned it. Again, an equipped rooftop deck is part of the $52 million architectural brilliance. There is also a flower garden on the deck, from which a bird's view of the whole city skyline is available. Did we mention there is a billiard room from within the house? Oh yes, there is. Too much work without play will definitely make James a dull man. There is also a media room from which the athlete can always sit and prepare his speeches. The 35-year father of 3 is expected to renew his contract soon, and it might as well come with added zeros at the end. So maintaining this home is really nothing for James compared to acquiring it. Even though the news has been floating around that the basketball legend hasn't in specific purchased the home, close sources believe the deal is done, and that he is being held back from moving in by the ongoing demonstrations. What is more evident than the status of the purchase is the fact that a basketball court has not been spotted in the home. It will not be strange for King James decides to rehabilitate the home in an effort to construct a court. After all, the game is where his heart is. He'd probably want to play with his son too. That one though is just from a speculation point of view. So, in a nutshell, from this lush mega million mansion, the legendary basketball superstar will have all the access to luxury and extreme security money can buy. Standing by the windows at night and watching the entire city light up. He may be hailing from Ohio, but Los Angeles is his home now, and he intends to live large while serving the city through the Los Angeles Lakers team. They say Los Angeles is like a beauty parlor at the end of the universe, where iconic actor Denzel Washington suggests, in Los Angeles, everyone is a star. Somehow, he is right, I have to admit. For LeBron James, he is living his best life, breaking records, winning trophies, giving back to the community, and more importantly, making loads of cash. He once said, "I'm going to use all my tools, my God-given ability, and make the best life I can with it." And from the moves he is making, it seems like he meant every single letter in that quote. So there you have it, inside LeBron James's new $52 million Los Angeles mansion.